What's up, catch up? This is your pal Brian Cabigao, and welcome to another episode of my channel. Yes, I'm still lying on my back because I just literally woke up, but I'll be hitting the toilet now for us to get started, so please stay tuned. Alright, all set, and yes, I just finished washing my face. Also, I just ate breakfast and I'm currently drinking my coffee right now. Yes, but yes, moving back to our topic earlier, as I mentioned, we are going to be unboxing some things here. I'm very much excited to be showing it to all of you, but oh, I forgot to invite everybody to please do subscribe to my channel first. Yes, so if you're new here, might as well do so. Just type in my name, that's Brian Cabigao, and just hit that bell button to your right if you want to get notified in the future. So yes, also follow me on Instagram at Cabigao Brian, and that's it. Alright, proceeding and going back, as I mentioned, Apple has recently launched or released its official iPhone 11 series, and I was lucky enough, of course, to get a grasp of this newest flagship. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna be showing you the two latest flagships of Apple, which are the iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max. Yes. Ta-da! As you can see, it comes in a matte black case, and most probably what's inside it are just the same things that you've seen from my previous video when I unboxed my iPhone XS Max. Alright, okay, so what else do you have to know? Well, pretty much the basics, of course. Now, the iPhone 11 series comes in different colors. iPhone 11, I think, is pretty much playful these days because they love being playful, and yes, it's the successor of the iPhone XR, and it comes in 6 different colors for as far as I know. So it comes in black, yellow, white, not really sure about white, but purple, green, and product red as per wiki, and silver. My coach silver Dow. So yes, silver. So I'm currently doing my video here in a dining room because I love the lighting. If you could just see the view outside. Anyway, moving back, and I'm currently focusing, we're just going to ditch the other specifications of that iPhone 11 because what I would love to discuss are just these flagships that I have. What I have here, of course, are the, as I mentioned, iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max, and it comes in 4 different colors now. Usually it has been space gray, silver, and gold, but now it comes with its newest color, which is the midnight green. So might as well, if you want to be unique and if you want to flaunt and brag that newest iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max that you have, might as well do so. Alright, now product specifications. What else do they have? Storage capacity. I think they already omitted or removed that 128 gigs. So yes, all three phones comes in 3 different storage, which are 64, 256, and the latest 512 gigabytes. So I'm going to be able to store up to more or less 100,000 photos of myself and my selfies. Alright, okay, so let's go ahead and let's unbox the first one, which is the iPhone 11 Pro. Yeah, 11 Pro, okay? Alright, so as you can see, it comes in a matte black finish. So Apple just really wants to be unique in their own little way, so I think that's the reason why they changed the color of the box. I like the luminosity of the iPhone logo because that is their trademark. Now, as you can see, it's shiny, it's luminous, and yeah, that's it. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's open it up and let's see what's inside. Alright. I told you, same. So yes, you can see the phone. So let's dissect the box. Pretty much the basics. Of course, we got here the phone. So as you can see, oh, by the way, the iPhone Pro 11 or iPhone 11 Pro comes into 3 sizes as well. So iPhone 11 is 5.7 inches. This one is a 5.8 inch phone, and the iPhone Pro Max or iPhone 11 Pro Max comes in a 6.2 inches. So yeah, that's basically it. And as you can see at the back, you are seeing the luminous Apple logo and the 3 holes. So 3 holes, as you can see that. Also, they changed the body because I think they're going to be phasing out the iPhone 10 or the iPhone 10 series, you know, Apple strategies. And they changed the body as well. I mean, the texture is just really different, as you can see, because the iPhone 10 series, for all we know, is the 10th year anniversary of phones. So it's always going to be significant to them, and it has the glass shape or the glass body case. But for this one, it is a metallic one, and it is now a matte black, but this one's a space gray. Ang weird talaga ng Apple. This one's a space gray, but it kind of looks like a black one. But yes, it is a space gray. Anyway, so yes, matte finish. You can see it's still sleek, looking sleek, and very trendy, very sophisticated. I mean, I like the fact that Apple always looks so sophisticated, and a lot of phones are just always, you know, copying them because of that exclusivity that they have established all throughout these years. All right, now let's move on. Now, of course, the usuals, the manual, the guide, and the stickers, the freebies that none of us are using. They're not really using. I'm not really using the stickers that I get from them, to tell you honestly. What else? Hello. And this thing na yun. So ito yung pantusok. And what else? All right, let's just place it here first. Ooh, okay, so oh yeah, so just so you know, charges may vary because we are living in different countries. So yes, of course, but right now what I'm seeing here is a different size, a different shape, and a different USB port, or a different port. Now the usual is the USB-C. Right now I'm not sure. Ooh, apparently they changed the slot as well. So as you can see, it is a smaller port now. Syempre, pera na naman, Apple. So strategies like that, of course. And of course the AirPods. So hi, kailan mo free AirPods, Apple? Nawagan kami. So yeah, basically that's it. That's what's inside the box. I love the packaging as always, of course, Apple. Anyway, yeah, so that's basically it. And we are gonna be unboxing the next one, which is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now it still has the same things, the same features. What he has right now is just, it has, well, primarily I think Apple has focused on cameras. So yeah, that's the reason why these phones have 3 cameras now. So it has an ultra wide, and the telephoto display, or the main one. And I have tested it last night as well. And yes, as I really admit the fact that Apple really delivers when they say that it has a so much better camera. Then yes, they really are true to their words, and it's really fascinating because I like the tones of the color, or the tones of the pictures that I took last night, and I'm going to be showing it to you. And also I think I'm going to be comparing some pictures of my 10s photos and these 11 photos that I just got here recently. So yeah, all right, so yeah, same thing, just a different size. Ooh, my sister has already backed this up, so yes, you can see her picture. That's her with her husband. So yeah. Oh, let's lock this. Okay, all right, so it's definitely bigger. Yeah, also has the same finish because she likes it. She likes this color. I mean, she's very androgynous, that's why she picked this color. And yes, 3 camera lenses as well, same things but much bigger sticker, much bigger manual. What else? Same charger as I mentioned, with a smaller port, the AirPods, and the I couldn't take it out. And the same cable or charging cable. Alright, so I'm gonna be showing you. I'll try to take it out of the box. So yes. Oh, okay. Alright, so let's dissect this and let's expand the whole thing. I think it's a 1 millimeter or 1 meter. Yeah, 1 meter cable wide with 2 small ports. So yes, ingatan ang chargers, my friends, cause if this one gets teared or whatever, mahal naman ang babayaran natin. Anyway, alright, moving back. So I think I was able to give you the basic information about the phones, and I think pretty much I'm gonna be inserting some photos with, you know, the comparisons or on how we took the photos that we got from we shot on this phone and the things or the pictures that I have on my phone. Of course, I'm gonna be showing you the raw ones because for all we know, I love editing, and I'm not gonna be showing it to you. So yes, I'm gonna be showing you the 3 new aspects or the 3 new features of the camera. So I'll try my best to show it to you. So this is the most recent features that we have here. So it has this ultra wide feature or setting. So let's press it, let's tap, see. So it has a wider ratio or wider frame, as you can see. Now we're gonna be using the main one. Oops, sorry about that. Yep, this is the main one, and as you can see, you're also allowed to take pictures outside the box or outside the frame. So you can see that you can tap it, see that this is the usual frame that we have for the iPhone XS Max. But if you're going to tap it, take a picture of it, then you can do that. So, oh, what's happening? You know, so as you can see, what I've noticed here is that it has, since I love photos so much, it has a warmer tone, but it is definitely much clearer compared to the XS Max. But I'm a little bit bitter and I'm not going to let that happen. So we'll try it again. We'll shoot in different modes and in different settings, because last night we tried shooting in a darker area. So basically, and of course, this phone really won that battle. Anyway, let's move on to what else. What else does it have? So cameras done. Selfies. So let's move on to the front camera and let's check it out. See, ang bagal. Ano ba naman yan? Now, Apple boasts also that they have implanted. So they have a new chip. So it now comes in a A13 A chip operating system. Next year A14, as you can see the ad, and next year it's gonna be A15. So yeah, they say it's gonna be quicker, a quicker system, it's always gonna be like that because they're just going to be upgrading every single phone every single time. Well, anyway, moving on, let's go ahead and let's check out this selfie or the front cam. Let's see that we have the, I couldn't really just show it to you, but what I noticed is that it's not much clearer, I think. No, that's just kidding. But it's a bit pigmented, but we are going to check all these details. Anyway, what else do you have to know? That's basically it, guys, because this year I think Apple really focused on the cameras plus the battery life. Yeah, so what Apple boasts is that the newest 11 series phones will actually last longer compared to the 10 series or to its predecessors. So for iPhone 11 Pro Max, it's going to last up to 5 hours compared to the XS Max, and for iPhone 11 Pro, it will definitely last 4 hours more compared to the iPhone And so yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy it in a way and got something about it. And for all details, just DM me and I'll try to answer all those messages that you're gonna be sending me. As if. And that's basically it today, and thank you so much for watching. This has been your hobbyist / enthusiast Brian Cabigao, sharing some details to all of you, and I'll see you around, and I'll see you in my next video.